RENKOM Gantt, a brief tutorial for LakePharma clients. LakePharma clients may now utilize the RENKOM Gantt tool to view and edit Gantt charts. So, how does this all work from the client's perspective? Once your LakePharma point of contact sends you the Gantt RGF file, this is how you can view it. Go to renkom.com, select Features, and then Gantt. Click Choose File to upload. And once your file has uploaded, you may zoom in and out, and scroll left or right to view the Gantt. Click Keynote to view and edit comments, and click Title to change the title. In the left-hand panel, you can view the number, label, title, and duration columns. And if you continue by scrolling right, you can additionally view the columns entitled Start Dates, Cost, Predecessors, and Description. The order of the columns may be changed by dragging and dropping. These can also be viewed by double-clicking the task and opening up the panel. You can edit directly on the Gantt to change the timing or duration. To edit the duration, you may do so by clicking on the edge of the bar and dragging it to extend or shorten the timeline. To change the timing of the task, click on the main bar and drag to the desired location. Notice how projects automatically adjust to the duration of the task within them. These features may also be edited manually by double-clicking on the task to open up the panel. To change the order of the task, you may click on the task on the left panel and drag it to the new location. When you want to add a task, click the plus sign on the top. For a given project, you may add a task or milestone and may change the color, start date, and duration. If you want to add a subtask, click on the plus sign next to a given task. To add dependencies between tasks, click on the circle next to the first task and drag to the circle next to the second task. Now, when you adjust the timing of the first task, the second task will automatically adjust also. When preparing to send the file back to your LakePharma point of contact, you may export the Gantt by clicking Export, and attaching the file by email or sending it via the Client Secure Portal or the CSP. Simple, isn't it? RENKOM Gantt, made to deliver.